Hi friends, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn how to calculate percentage increase in Excel. Let's dive in. Open up your Excel worksheet you want to work on. Select the cells where you want to display the percentage increase. Select the cell. Then, to get your percentage increase, you subtract the previous month from the current month. Then you divide it by the previous month. This is a formula here. The formula is open bracket, new month minus the last month, close your bracket and divide it by the last month. Then you press the enter key. Now let's do that here. Press your equal to, open your bracket. The new month is cell C2 minus cell B2. Close the bracket. The slash sign is for division, divided by the last month, which is cell B2. Then you press the enter key. Now you can see it is in percentage. Sometimes it might not appear in percentage. You just have to click the percentage sign and you drag it here to apply it. Once it's done, now to apply to other cells, you click on the cell results at the bottom, then you drag it to the other cells and you can see the percentage increase has been added. It could be increased, it could be decreased depending on your data. So that is how you calculate the percentage increase in Excel. Hope this video helps you. Make sure to give it a try and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more video tips. Bye guys, thanks for watching the video.